you see how, look at this. This.
Yeah.
And there's one right there.
That'll be fun.
And there's one over there.
Yeah. And we've
there's
got the hazelnuts.
And there's roses too.
Yeah.
And the strawberries are just spreading. I'm like, spread. Use strawberry bed.
Yeah, go for it.
But I gotta get this fennel out of here.
Thank you, Birch Living, for sponsoring. You can shop their fall into bed sale and get 20% off plus 2 EcoRest pillows by visiting birchliving.com/Elliott Homestead. We work hard and we sleep hard. Why not use this time to upgrade your mattress so that you can do the same? In a recent survey, 93% of recent customers would recommend Birch to a friend, and 87% saw an improvement in their sleep quality. Unlike other brands, Birch mattresses are free of fiberglass, polyurethane-based foams, and harsh unnecessary chemicals. Instead, they use 100% organic wool. Birch offers you a 100-night sleep trial and a 25-year warranty. You can get your mattress delivered right to your door for free within the US, and they also offer in-home setup and removal. You can shop their fall into bed sale and get 20% off your mattress plus 2 EcoRest pillows by visiting birchliving.com/Elliott Homestead. You're facing a pretty hard task here, honey.
Well, yeah.
Is it coming out okay?
Yeah, it's the kind of thing where you just have to do it a few times and then eventually 10 to 15 years down the road, it's like, it worked, you know? Worked.
Yeah, well, only a few more times then.
Yep.
So this is a new bed. We've used this garden for so many things over the years. And this year we planted these hazelnuts, which I know don't look like much, but they're alive. They're doing what they need to do. And so eventually this will just be kind of a hedge of hazelnuts. But it is one of those projects you have to take the long-term view on. So for example, this is a hazelnut as well that we planted a few years ago. So they'll grow. And this is the garden we're cleaning out today. This is what we call the potager. And this year we tried to really plant in some things that would just grow in. So strawberries are all here, a few grasses, some roses, and then some Russian olive trees as well. There's hollyhocks in the back that can kind of take over, raspberries. I know it just looks like homogeneous green right now, but there is sort of in order to it. But picking up all the sunflower seeds we dropped. We have a bunch of these well summers. We have about 17 of them around. These are our new hens for this year. And for some reason in my mind when I see them, I just want to call them all Linda. So that's what we call them. Very unglamorous side of gardening. These are the kind of dahlias I love. What you doing, Juge?
Collecting some fennel seeds.
Okay, so this is a fennel we pulled out. This is my favorite part of the fennel besides the bulb, which is the dried seeds.
Cool.
Let's see if we can pull some more. We can just grow so much fennel here. It just grows like a weed. So once these are fully dry, we'll have fennel.
Nice. And are we gonna make pizza tonight?
We're not gonna make pizza tonight, but this will be so good on pizza, focaccia, all kinds of wonderful things.
What are we having tonight?
Tonight we're going to have some charbroiled chicken and some pasta and the tomato salad, the last of our Brandywine tomatoes.
This is flooded everywhere.
And some grape focaccia. Yeah. Thanks for doing that.
Yeah.
All right, what are we up to this morning, guys?
We're gonna bring back the sheep. We're gonna go herd the sheep back into our pasture.
Yep, so they're up at the neighbor's pasture.
Yeah.
It's time for them to come back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Owen, you guys did a really, really good job on the wood.
Thank you.
Well done. And you did it before it rained.
Very helpful.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. There's a couple.
Hi, you want to go move some sheep? You want to go move some sheep?
My tooth is still under my pillow.
Oh, you excited? Are you excited? Okay, sit down.
Wow.
Flip the helicopter upside down.
Almost. But they don't put it upside down. They just put it.
Oh, it just swings. It just swings.
Yeah.
Willie, do you understand that? It swings from over here.
So.
You okay?
Okay.
Okay.
They're suspicious. Once he feeds them, it'll be okay.
Hey, well, look over there. It's a blow up.
Aww.
Cute.
There they go. There they go.
Okay. Over here, over here. Oh, and you come down here a little bit.
No, come on. Pick it up. Nice. Nicely done. There you go.
Oh, nice and easy, nice and easy. She can't see the opening.
She'll find it.
Oh, see that?
Okay.
Oh, great. I'm cool.
That was so much
Nice
easier.
job.
Mom, that was so much easier than most years.
Yep, the pen worked perfect.
Oh, I know it.
Still that white one?
Huh?
Still that white one?
The ram?
Yeah.
Which ram looks best? Well, we're not going to keep any of these rams,
No?
but this one's my favorite one, right here.
White one?
No, the brown one next to him.
So here's what I might need.
These two,
I might need.
and her. Look at her. She's beautiful.
Here.
This one, this you right here.
I think I'll need somebody to help me.
There's right, Mom.
One goes, they'll go.
Do not let him push through.
Come on, just like 3 more sheep.
Big enough.
Come on.
Doing great. Y'all are doing great. All right, Will, you can come and help with the door. Come help with the door.
Coming.
That's okay. Just let it. You can let it go for now, Juge. We'll close it.
Oh, there. All right, now I need to get out.
No, you can't get out. We already shut it.
All right, can you open this now?
Yeah,
Slide
hang
it a
on.
little.
That one came for it. That was a good little shot. Children of mine, I need your help. I need your big, strong muscles. Let me see them. Those are pretty strong, actually. Okay,
Actually.
Schoolwork's-
Actually.
schoolwork's done for the day.
Indeed.
So let's go dig some potatoes, shall we?
Yes, I love digging potatoes.
Okay, andiamo. You can't even tell where the potatoes are, can you? Oh yeah. Well, believe it or not, this is a potato bed. So I guess we better get to work.
You want potatoes?
You can't even tell there's a potato bed here, but
Where?
this is the potato bed
Right here?
right here.
Okay. So dig it.
It's hard to see under the morning glory, but you can see, obviously this is a potato plant. And if you go to where the base of it is and dig around, this is where they'll be, okay? We'll find some. Okay?
I don't know. I'm digging under this point. I'm not finding any.
Oh, oh, oh. Yeah.
It's getting bigger and bigger.
I'm really happy with these. These are nice size. They store better when they're big.
Really?
Yep. But we'll give them a few days to cure too. All righto, show me what you got. We missed the moment, but that is a really great potato. Nicely done. And we're also harvesting our tomatillos at the same time. So these will make a beautiful salsa verde. Thank you, Juliet.
I got it back there.
Okay.
Mom, this cucumber is really good.
Is it?
Ooh, it's also very juicy.
What?
It's connected. Ta-da!
Cool.
That's the bus thread. Come on.
So far, russets. There's a few more in there. That's bed number 1. This is bed number 2.
Hey, look at this buddy.
This is bed number 2. These are Yukon Golds. We've uncovered some of them, Stoobs,
Yeah?
but haven't dug down.
Alright.
So I don't know if you want to start.
What is all I can you have, Mom?
Here's some here.
Right here. There's holes everywhere.
Here, Will.